Alright, we are headed out to a no AC that we did a while back, and we found a leak in the condenser coil. We have been to the parts store, picked up the coil itself, filter, and a new jug of 410, which I ran out just yesterday, so we'll get back to you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we are out here on this no AC that we found a leak on the condenser. I just want to get you guys some footage before I started. Here's our new condenser. Looks in pretty good shape. So there's our box. We're gonna pull down, pull our Freon down, evacuate it, and our drum here, and we'll start to take these panels off, get this unit apart, and get this coil in there, and get these guys back up and going. So I'll get some more footage here in a minute. Alright guys, got our unit apart, and got the new coil on. Got a new filter in, got a spoiling in, and got our connections back on our liquid down there at the bottom. We're talking about a hard spot to get to. I had to weld it with the coil out of its final position. But and then slide it into position. So all we gotta do now is just button it back up. I'm drawing a vacuum down now. Vacuum gauge, we've been coming down. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the glare is so bad, guys. Let me try and get you a shot you can see. There it is. So 1640. We're still coming down. 1630.